Seafood City in Chandler, Arizona, Techniquex installed 44,000 square feet of diamond-metallic flooring. This 40 mil, 100% solids metallic epoxy system is built for commercial spaces that demand both durability and visual impact. The process starts with Diamond-VRS unlimited moisture control, followed by a waterproofing membrane, a metallic epoxy coat, and finally, a sprayed dispersing agent bringing the floor to life. The result is a floor built to stand out and stand on for years to come. When your commercial space demands performance and visual impact, Techniquex is ready to deliver.